to another episode of Cracking Wild. In today's episode, we've gone out fishing 4 times. This is 4 videos in one, just filmed after the lockdown that we've had recently. We've had a bit of a hard run lately, so just come out of lockdown, and then we have gone on serious water restrictions as we've had a drought this year, a real bad one, so we've basically under 50% of water left in Auckland's dam. So yeah, it's been annoying. This is probably some of the best content I've made though. Unfortunately, it is called Fishing Not Catching, so we don't always get fish, unfortunately. But yeah, this content is very good from these 4 episodes, and I'm happy I can share it with you guys now. So I hope you enjoy. We are off to the Kaipara Harbour today to go try catch some fish. Never been to the Kaipara Harbour to go fishing, but we're going out there today, so it's going to be very interesting. See you out there. We've been out here for about half an hour. I hooked up to probably a kingfish just before. I had the jag on, it just started screaming, lifted it up, and it was a big heavy fish. Unfortunately it spat the hook. We're getting a few bites at the moment. But this area is a great white breeding ground, and they do a lot of tagging through here. So a lot of sharks, a lot of rods loads. So yeah.
These guys are out in the boat today.
I know.
Definitely.
We had Muir Beach, some surf casting. It's raining out, so hopefully get a bit of protection from these awesome horses over there. Yeah, just going to cast into this little hole that we think's over here. Hopefully get some carp down to the beach from our location up there. My dad's first cast. I haven't done too much surf casting. I've done a bit off Tarawa Beach, which will be in some upcoming videos actually. I've surfed here a few times, but haven't fished. There's my dad, so we head down to the water, first cast. Water now, guys. Famous Muir Beach. Very good surfing here actually. I've seen pretty big fish. About 40 minutes from our location in Auckland. Gotta run! I gotta go get my rod now. To run back to get my rod. My dad's back there with the surf caster. Very fun. Just brought the rod in. All bait was gone, something's biting at it. My dad's going out for some casts. All of these guys just been watching me. So gotta protect the bait. Make sure they don't get it. Oh, cast in the water. It is dead low tide now. Just out here with the surf caster. The surf caster is 17 foot. It was bought in 1995, so it's pretty old for that rig. So out on our second cast at the moment. By sand dunes. So this is actually a highway for giant vehicles, so we're just standing on one. There's a few walkers, a few surfers. This is real busy in summer, but obviously not today. Alright, bringing it in. It's a bit of a technique. My dad's done lots of surf casting. I'm pretty new to it. I've done it before, but not really that good at it. But yeah, one of those. Just gonna check if we have any bait. Don't have any bait. That'll be good. else. So a lot of stuff to steal everything. Bait's still on. Ah, interesting. Just got a good cow, I reckon. I don't see the shot, but yeah, you got one just brought, hopefully. Well, I know there's fish around. Yeah, we can get some. Might do, may not be the current. Casted it that way, then it went that way, so back that way. So, I reckon it could be a sink could detach, or it could just be the current doing weird things. But heavy. Alright, so we may have something.
I'd say seaweed.
Seaweed, yeah. That'll be another option. Just keep on. Just gone real light, so seaweed's probably come off. This fish probably come off. Never know, it may have just given up the fight. Or it could be riding a wave in or something, eh? So, just waiting to find out. Just really, really heavy. Bait's still there. It's been better than that though. Yeah, it's been better than that. This guy over here has been up there for about 1.5 and he just got a kawa. And he's not even casting this far, which is really annoying. Yeah, we just felt something interesting on the end of our line, but nothing yet. So annoying. Been in the water for about 2 minutes. My dad's getting a lot of bites. It's Felix's surfcast on my rod. Yeah, going good. Picked up.
I think so. They might have come off. Oh,
Yeah, there's Auckland City. It's there. There's the wall. It's in Devonport. Don't know what it's called. Oh, here. Let's measure it. So, measure our fish. So, we're going to catch a snapper. The limit is 30 centimetres. Right, and we've got like crayfish and stuff on here and scallops and all that. So yeah, let's get back to the fishing. We've had heaps of bites, a lot, on all rods. Yeah, pretty good. Fish on Felix on the Surfcaster. This might be his first fish on the Surfcaster.
That's awesome. Is that a stick?
Yeah, you got something.
And a stick. Oh, that's going to be so annoying. But it's biting.
Yeah, I can see it biting. Oh, you got a bite on this rod here. This is Felix's bait runner. Been here for 5 minutes. Unfortunately, it was just a stick. Stickfish.
That was good. There were bites there, right?
Yeah, I did see your rod moving like this bite. Move that over to here, Felix, down there.
Yeah, that's right.
Wow, that was good. You've had 2 bites since I've been holding this one, Felix. Yeah. Stop the camera there. On the road. Alright, so we're here at the bookie, just down there. Don't think anyone's here. The car park is empty. Can't hear anything, listen. This is the middle of Auckland City. Pretty cool, huh? Let's get rigged up. We're out here. You guys probably can't see a thing. And then back here we're on the lake. There's my dad there, about to have first cast. So show you what the lake looks like right now. Cast. My dad's getting some hits. Just beneath us.
Unless it's the weed I'm hitting.
Yeah.
We can't really go.
Yeah.
Even those spots by themselves.
Pretty cool. Still clear water on Lake Pupuki. Oh, sway. Oh my god. Feels like I'm gonna fall off the cliff. Pretty cool. Now, if you were one of those lucky people who got to see my last video before it was taken down, 30 views, got taken down, I don't know why, apparently it was inappropriate, but if it, I don't think it was, but I did end up showing these. So, this here is my spear gun. So it's brand new. We're going to be seeing a lot of episodes of this on my YouTube channel coming up using this. Should be cool. Yeah, so hope you guys look forward to seeing this. Also, got a new rod. So this is my new rod here. It's an overhead casting type rod. It's pretty cool. Haven't used it yet, so I haven't used the spear gun either. So in upcoming videos you'll see these used. Then, thank you for watching. See you guys on the next episode of Cracking Wild. See ya.